Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at the split view. Viewing worksheet using multiple windows does help you in terms of looking at different parts of the worksheet at the same time. And also, it has its own advantages. You can use dual monitors and it kind of helps. And also you can use different worksheets at the same time. Now when you come to splitting worksheet into panes, it's a totally different way of viewing at the worksheet. It only works with a single worksheet. So let's go ahead and apply split to this particular worksheet. So first make sure that you make your desired worksheet active, and then go to the view ribbon and then click on the split. Once you make it active, or when you click it, you will see an horizontal bar and a vertical bar. It's gray in color, and your view itself, now you have two vertical scroll bars, one here and the other is here, and you have two horizontal scroll bars. Now when it comes to these panes itself, you do have option to move it around and drop it at a desired location. Let's say I'm going to use my left mouse. I'm going to hold it and drag it and drop it at a desired location. Let's say I want to do this. Now what does this actually do? Let's say for example I want to compare row 10, which is a Philip, with let's say row 50. I can move this around a little bit, so that's the last in this particular pane, and then scroll the second scroll bar and move it so the row 50 is right below the row 10. Now I can directly look and compare, and as you can see, this is row 10 and this is row 50. It's two different parts of the worksheet. Now I can view it together. So that's how it works. I mean, you can also use a horizontal and move it around to your desired location when it all depends on the need. Another thing is, maybe you don't want all four panes. Maybe you're just looking for two vertical panes. Then all you need to do is move your cursor over the horizontal bar and hold it and move your mouse all the way to the top and leave it. Now the horizontal bar is gone. You can also do the same thing for the vertical bar as well, if you want the other two panes. So with this, what you have is two horizontal scroll bars to view in this particular way. So let me remove this, add this again, and now I'll show you what you can do with your vertical bar. All you do is take your mouse, hover over it, hold down the left mouse button and drag all the way to the right and leave it. Now what you have is this horizontal bar, and you have two panes, one at the top and the other is at the bottom. So depending on where you are, when you scroll your mouse, it kind of moves similar to moving your scroll bar. You can move around the worksheet. Again, this is the same worksheet that you're looking at in both the panes, but both have its own separate scroll bars. Well, that's it about creating panes using split option. I'll see you in the next video.